Throughout the coronavirus pandemic, we've seen communities coming together and building each other up as people put others before themselves. And that's exactly what one Portland VA health tech is doing in New York. Our Fox 12's Drew Reeves has her story for us tonight. Drew?
Yeah, Danielle Pauly found out on a Saturday that she would be going to the VA in the Bronx, and 2 days later, she was on her way. But she says it's a job she's happy to be doing. Healthcare professionals have been on the front lines of this pandemic for months. Danielle Pauly was working to fight the virus here at the Portland VA when she found out she was needed in New York.
I was a little nervous coming in, but I felt really honored that I'd been chosen to do such a good deed.
Since April 14th, Danielle has been working in a New York ER, assisting any way she can.
I do vital signs, I do IV starts, I do blood draws, I do EKGs, I do blood sugars, anything that the nurse needs me to do.
She says she's seen firsthand the damage that COVID-19 can do.
During one shift last week, we intubated 2 gentlemen, and neither gentleman has made it. So they both passed away once they got upstairs.
For her, that's been the hardest part, treating patients and not knowing if they're going to make it out of this alive.
It's tiring being on the front line, and it's heartbreaking when you are treating a patient and you can tell that they're not doing very well.
The state of New York has more than 15,000 deaths and more than 263,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19.
The loss here is astronomical, and the need for help is astronomical too. And I'm glad I could come.
But she says the hospital she's working in has made her feel protected every step of the way.
The staff here has been wonderful. They've been so helpful and so gracious, and I couldn't ask for a better team to work with.
And she says as difficult as these days can be, she wouldn't have it any other way.
The hours are worth it. The patients that we do get to make better and leave the ED, going home, it's all worth it.
And Danielle tells me that she's never seen anything like this pandemic in her entire career. She was asked to stay in New York an extra 2 weeks, so she says she's now coming home on May 10th. She says she's been missing her family and worried about them and the veterans here, so she's excited to get back to Oregon. Reporting live in Southwest Portland, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.